Do you know your credit score? It might seem like a small thing, but this 3-digit number holds immense power over your financial life. It can determine whether you qualify for a loan, rent an apartment, or even secure a job. Knowing your credit score is the first step toward taking control of your finances. It's like checking your bank balance. You need to know where you stand before you can make a plan to improve. Don't let your credit score remain a mystery. Understanding this powerful number can open doors to financial opportunities you might not even realize are available to you. Take that first step today. Find out your credit score and embark on a journey toward a brighter financial future. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It's a crucial figure that can significantly impact various aspects of your financial life. It tells lenders how risky it is to loan you money. Essentially, it's a measure of trust, indicating how likely you are to repay borrowed funds. A higher score indicates lower risk, making you more likely to get approved for loans and credit cards with favorable terms. This can mean lower interest rates and better repayment conditions. Think of it like this: your credit score is your financial report card. Just as grades reflect your academic performance, your credit score reflects your financial behavior. It reflects how well you've managed your debts and financial obligations over time. Consistently paying bills on time and keeping debt levels low are key factors. Just like in school, a good score opens doors to better opportunities. It can help you secure a mortgage, get a car loan, or even land a job, as some employers check credit scores. Lenders use your credit score to assess your ability to repay borrowed funds. They look at your credit history to determine your reliability. A strong credit score demonstrates financial responsibility and trustworthiness, making you a more attractive borrower. It shows that you can manage your finances effectively. Understanding what your credit score represents and how it impacts your financial life is crucial. It's not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial habits and decisions. It empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial well-being. By knowing your score and how to improve it, you can pave the way for a more secure financial future. Having bad credit can feel like carrying a heavy weight. It can limit your options and make everyday life more expensive. From higher interest rates to difficulty securing loans, the consequences of bad credit can be significant. Imagine trying to buy a car with bad credit. You may be denied a loan altogether or forced to accept an exorbitantly high interest rate. This can add thousands of dollars to the overall cost of your vehicle. The same goes for mortgages, personal loans, and even credit cards. A low credit score can result in higher interest rates, lower credit limits, and less favorable terms. Don't let bad credit hold you back. By understanding the factors that influence your score, you can take steps to improve it and access better financial opportunities. Your credit score is calculated using a complex algorithm that considers several factors. Understanding these factors can help you identify areas for improvement and boost your score. One of the most significant factors is your payment history. Late payments, missed payments, and defaults can have a devastating impact on your credit score. It's crucial to make all your payments on time, every time. Another important factor is your credit utilization ratio. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%, demonstrates responsible credit management. The length of your credit history also plays a role. A longer credit history with a positive track record is generally viewed favorably by lenders. The power of on-time payments. Making on-time payments is the single most effective way to improve your credit score. It demonstrates to lenders that you are a responsible borrower who can be trusted to repay debts. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Even a single late payment can have a negative impact on your score. If you have missed payments in the past, don't despair. While you cannot erase past mistakes, you can demonstrate positive payment behavior going forward. Over time, your credit score will begin to recover. Contact your creditors if you are facing financial difficulties and cannot make a payment on time. They may be willing to work with you to create a payment plan or explore other options. Credit utilization. Finding the sweet spot. Your credit utilization ratio is another crucial factor that influences your credit score. It represents the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. A high credit utilization ratio can signal to lenders that you're relying too heavily on credit. It's essential to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. One way to lower your credit utilization is to pay down your credit card balances. Consider making more than the minimum payment each month to reduce your debt faster. Another strategy is to request a credit limit increase from your credit card issuer. This can lower your credit utilization ratio without actually reducing your debt. However, it's important to use this option responsibly and avoid increasing your spending. Section 7. Building a strong credit history. A long and positive credit history is a valuable asset. It not only helps you secure loans and credit cards with favorable terms, but also impacts other areas of your financial life. For instance, landlords may check your credit history before renting an apartment to you, and some employers might review it as part of their hiring process. It shows lenders that you have experience managing credit responsibly over time. This experience can translate into lower interest rates and better loan conditions, saving you money in the long run. Additionally, a strong credit history can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have access to financial resources when needed. If you are new to credit or have a limited credit history, there are steps you can take to build a strong foundation. Start by understanding your credit report and score. Regularly monitoring your credit report can help you identify any errors or areas for improvement. One option is to become an authorized user on a responsible family member or friend's credit card. This can be a great way to start building credit without the risk of managing your own account. Make sure the primary cardholder has a good credit history and pays their bills on time. This allows you to benefit from their positive credit history without having to apply for your own credit card. Over time, this can help you establish your own creditworthiness, making it easier to qualify for credit on your own in the future. Another strategy is to consider a secured credit card. These cards are specifically designed for individuals with no or poor credit history. They function like regular credit cards, but require a security deposit, which acts as collateral. These cards require a security deposit, which typically serves as your credit limit. By using a secured credit card responsibly, such as making timely payments and keeping your balance low, you can establish a credit history and improve your score over time. By using a secured credit card responsibly, you can establish a credit history and improve your score over time. It's important to treat this card like any other credit card, ensuring you make payments on time and keep your balance within the limit. Building a strong credit history takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Consistency is key. Make sure to pay all your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. A positive credit history will open doors to better financial opportunities and help you achieve your financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, securing a car loan, or even starting a business, a strong credit history is a crucial component of financial success. Take control of your credit. Improving your credit score doesn't require complex strategies or expensive programs. By implementing a few simple habits, you can start seeing positive changes in your credit report. Start by checking your credit report regularly for errors or inaccuracies. You can obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Dispute any errors you find with the credit bureaus. They are legally obligated to investigate and correct any inaccuracies within a reasonable time frame. Consider using a credit monitoring service to stay informed about any changes to your credit report. These services can alert you to potential fraud or identity theft, allowing you to take action quickly. Your journey to financial freedom. Improving your credit score is a journey, not a destination. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and the occasional challenge. Each step you take brings you closer to financial stability and independence. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to responsible financial management. This means regularly reviewing your credit report, paying your bills on time, and keeping your credit card balances low. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a strong credit score. A good credit score empowers you to access better financial products and services, such as lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, save money on interest rates, and even qualify for premium credit cards with exclusive benefits. and achieve your financial goals with greater ease. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply enjoying a comfortable retirement, a good credit score can make these dreams more attainable. It can even open doors to opportunities you might not have thought possible. For instance, some employers check credit scores as part of their hiring process. Share your credit score journey with others and encourage them to take control of their financial well-being. By sharing your experiences, you can inspire and motivate others to start their own journey. Together, we can break down the complexities of credit and empower everyone to achieve financial freedom. Financial literacy is a powerful tool that can transform lives and communities. Start today by checking your credit score, identifying areas for improvement, and setting realistic goals, and implementing the tips outlined in this essay. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements over time. Your future self will thank you for it. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay focused, and enjoy the rewards of your hard work.